before we get started, a little oopsie. I went and talked about all these things and I realized at the end I talked about that the links will be in the description box. Okay, if I do have links, which I will, in the description box, they will be affiliate links, which means I will make a small commission if you use those links to purchase anything. I just jumped right into, you know, how to manage your account and I totally forgot about that. So, okay guys, let's get to it. Hi guys, so I hope you guys are doing well this morning. Since today is August 1st, I just realized I was able to do what I need to do with my Spellbinders club, and I was thinking about it. A lot of you guys ask me a lot of questions about this kind of thing, so I'm going to show you what I know and what you can do with your club portal. If you haven't signed up before, you would click on clubs here and you would see all the different things. You can click on all clubs, or if you want to see the separate things. But August 1st already hit, so they are showing already what the dies are. So they usually do it a couple days in advance. Today or this month they did not do that. They only showed the card club on Spellbinders YouTube and things like that. So, but I did find another spot where you can find a little sneak peek. It's not like a whole reveal, but it's a little bit of a sneak peek, so you kind of know if you want to keep it, skip it, you know, move your club date, whatever it is that you want to do, you can mess around with before you get charged for that month. So I was wondering yesterday out loud, if like, let's say I sign up on the 15th, the next month it's going to be on the 15th also. They don't always send it on the 1st. If you signed up on the 15th, it'll be on the 15th the next time. And the 20th, the 21st, it'll be the 20th or 21st the next time. It doesn't matter. They go by monthly, like actual calendar month, not just the first of the month. So you can still mess around with it up until that point. On that day at midnight, basically, when it turns to that day, they're going to charge your card or however you signed up for it. So you want to make sure you do any adjustments before that, if it's to skip or to cancel, or maybe to change the, maybe I do want the small, but I don't want the large one, and to kind of mess with your membership, right? So you can do that before that time. So this is the small set for the month, and it is adorable. A nice little alphabet set, and this is for August. This one says, it just says miss you much, and it has like the little shapes, and then you can pop in the little letters or however you want to do that. So really cute, interactive. And what I mean interactive is because you can do lots of things with it, like switch it out or put the letters, don't put the letters, cut the letters into it, use letters for something else, you know. So that's a small die. I'll just go through them real quick in case you haven't seen it, because I know it's not the easiest thing to find if Spellbinders didn't do their videos. So we have the large die. I was on the fence, but when I saw this one, I was like, oh, because like I said, I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep all. I do the kit, the works, I guess. So I do the large, I'm sorry, the small, the large, and the APG, and the card kit. The works is all, the kit and caboodle is a fun one too, but it's everything but the APG, you know, the small, the large, and the card kit. But look at this, and I was like, is it gonna make its own easel and like little frame? That is so cute. So basically, that's what it looks like. You're gonna be able to make a little easel out of the stuff. Like this part was when I was like, well, I probably wouldn't use that much, but everything else that's I just thought it was really cute. So that's basically it right there. So you're gonna make a canvas, and you can make your own little easel. It's adorable. So yeah, definitely getting that. I didn't change anything, basically, just so you know. What I was trying to say, I didn't make any kind of skips or cancel any of the dies. And then the APG, that's the one I'm always like kind of on the fence. I love it, but at the same time, you know, if maybe I can hold off on it. It's this little telephone, and when I saw that, I thought, okay, I had to grab it. I know it's old school, and we had a phone, well, very similar, right? I'm not that old, but old enough that the phone would still pretty much look like this when I was a kid. Really cute. I love what they did with it, so I went ahead and grabbed that as the APG die of the month. And then Spellbinders had put out a video for their card kit, so I'll click on that. The other ones I don't really get into because I don't have their foil system. I don't know if I can use the foil pieces, you know, the things that they have in my foil press. I'm thinking about getting their foil system because I hear great things and it looks really fun, so I'm like, maybe, but not right now. So it's just this kit here called, what was it called? Vintage something? Let me see. No, vintage something was last month. Oh, around the world. There you go. It just looks very vintagey too, though. But so you know, it has all these different things. Obviously, you can check out the video on that if you need to see it in action. The other way you can see the kits, if you want a sneak peek, is you click on clubs, and way down, I think here, club inspiration. I click on that, and that'll take you to the blog basically. And then, so right now they just showed the hot foil, whatever it is. So it gives you, so this is today, August 1st, but before that, there was a peek of these. So you see the whole picture of it. Days leading up to here, it was just like, here we go. I think it was this one. You would just find the info for that month, basically. So this is like the sneak peek right here, August. And then if you click, like to see more about that post, it was little, so there's the video, but like I said, they had little pictures right here, sneak peeks for August. So you can kind of have an idea, see how it's like up close, but you can still see pretty good what it is. So you can make up your mind, even if you are, you know, the first of the month sign up person or second of the month, you have time to look, okay? So when I saw these, I was like, yeah, I'm getting that. So, so that's that. So how do you change things around? So mine might look a little bit different because, mine was already charged for August, right? So, because I do the first, but club account portal is what you click on. That's going to be where you go to do anything. I was hoping that, you know, obviously the price, and that's public information. That doesn't bother me. I was just like, is my address going to be showing? This might be tedious, but it's not. So basically, as you can see, I already got, it's green. I already got charged for it. The September one is gray here and it's upcoming. So they just let you know when your invoice is going to be upcoming. You can click on that and see some information. But what you guys want to see is over here on the left side. Let me move a little bit over this way. You can click on subscriptions and it'll show you what you have, what your plan is, and you can edit it here. Okay, you can tweak it. If you want to skip a month, this is skip a month. So mine's already set up for I believe this is the one for September because, again, it's August 1st and I already got charged for today. So you can skip a month from here. You can cancel, and I believe this cancel means cancel the whole thing, which if you want to change the date, let's say, I know I don't want it on the 1st anymore. I think it's better for me in my pocketbook on the 15th or on the 20th. Okay, so just cancel it. And then it's over with. You won't get your 10% discount in the meantime because you do get 10% off of Spellbinders while you're a club member. But when you go to reinstate it, let's say on the 20th of the month or the 15th of the month, go ahead and just place your order then, sign up again, and it'll still have your information in here because they remember you, but you'll be a new club member at that time on the date that you want. Or you can call them. Now, again, with COVID, it's been a little weird, so it's better, and they even tell you there in the frequently asked questions, it says just cancel it and then like order it again on the date that you want. Now, if you want to keep your 10% membership or, you know, percentage off, what I would do is keep it open. They're not charging you anything. You already got charged for the last time. And then cancel it in the morning of the day that you do want it, right? Cancel it. And then re-sign up. And then you'll still get your 10%. Basically, it takes a couple hours for that day to kick in. So you don't lapse on your 10%. To hope that makes sense, right? Okay. So you're here. You can do that. Again, skip a month or edit. That was under subscriptions. You can also click on that on the calendar, like before it's time, you can click on it and do your changes. And now you can click on browse down here, and browse helps you browse the plans. So you can click on that and you can say, you know, you want to look at it or you want to add that now, or however, if you want to change something, you can do that here. And under browse, you can also do the extras and add-ons. Now you would click extras and add-ons and then say, oh, you know what, I really want more of that paper pack, or I don't know, the Craft Happy Clear and Stamp and Bundle. So this is interesting. This stamp set, this is something else. So your kit, usually your club kit comes with a stamp set. This stamp set's like an FSJ stamp set. It's a little bit separate from it, but it's also a monthly stamp kit you can order. You want more of the butterfly stickers, which are really pretty. Like in that last kit I showed you guys when I did the past club kit recently, the Relax and Enjoy. You can add that. You know, you can add different things here. And then there basically be continue to checkout. You click on that and it's going to come in with your other items. So I just wanted to quickly kind of show you some of the things that you can do. Again, if you sign up today, it'll be today, and I'll have links for all the different clubs in the description box. Yeah, if you guys have any questions that I can answer, I'll do that. Obviously, you know, they have their frequently asked questions there, and I just want to do this for people because I used to do this even with Julep when I had a subscription with them. People had a lot of questions of how you skip and how you change things and how you, you know, or upgrade or, you know, all those different things that people always want to know. So that's all there. And I hope that kind of helps you guys out a little bit. And I will see you later today with an Anna Griffin tutorial. So check that out. All right, guys. before I go, I should mention if you also just want to sign up, obviously you're at spellbinders.com. You can be logged in or not yet, but you're going to just click on clubs. And like I said, when you go to all clubs, you can then, join now. Just clicking join now takes you to another page. It's still going to ask you what you want to join, but, let's just subscribe now. And then you'll have, again, like I said, they'll still ask you what you want to join, and then you add it to your cart, and that's it. And so this is a little bit different from Spellbinders itself. It's going to take you to a different cart. Whatever you have in your cart, like let's say I had some things in here, it doesn't matter. It's its own thing, its own club portal, basically. And then you go through there and make your selections and add it. And then it's also going to ask you, do you want to add some paper? Do you want something else? Do you want this or that? And, finish up there. But that's how you kind of run through that. I was going to mention Tonic also, well, everyone has a club kit, right? But the Tonic Craft Kit is not available yet. It's August 1st. I guess it caught them by surprise. But if you go, it's about the older kits, so it's kind of interesting. So if you click on order today, it still is talking about the kit, but it doesn't let you actually order today's kit, or it doesn't let you see it. So you can definitely sign up. They have a one-off where you can just buy one time. You can sign up for, obviously they're going to charge you every month. Or you can sign up for 3 months at a time, and that one's a little bit more of a discount, and they charge you for 3 months at a time and send it monthly, obviously. But that's another great kit everyone says is really wonderful. So just some things to think about. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.